Hey guys, and welcome to X Maximus aka Mando's YouTube channel. And today I thought I'd do another video update for you guys. For everyone who's shit in the pants currently, for me, I just thought it's a good time to put my community on X and also on YouTube at ease. Got a special guest today. Obviously I've got a Joker, permanent resident of the show, the IG robot also, and Yoda, and also come on. Also guys, I've got this little fella who's 14 years of age now. He's like my little baby, Ben. His teeth are falling out, he's going blind, but oh, I love him so much. So he chills with me as well if he doesn't make any noise. Last video I did, we were at 64,000. Personally, everyone, including myself, thought this was the time to rally up. Unfortunately, the big boys, when I say big boys, there's a small group that manipulate the whole market. I'm talking, billions that they can move things around with big caps and Bitcoin. They didn't feel like they had enough time to accumulate. So they've got a bit more accumulating to go until we resume up only. It's just a case of patience, that's all it is at this point. If you've only got a small portfolio and this is your first cycle, the best thing to do is start looking out. I post many of them on X about airdrops. Focus on airdrops, focus on investing into micro caps, that have got a high chance of rallying, 20, 30, 40, 50x, in some cases 100x. If I was starting out with, let's say, $1,000, I'd really work on trying to build that $1,000 up further and further. I'd invested across probably 2 different micro caps that I believed in. I researched them. Microcaps are extremely high risk, but what I'd do is I'd invest in 2 of them, probably with a portfolio of $1,000, and then I'd seek out to do airdrops. Also, if I was at that level of life, I'd try and work with different projects on a smaller scale as a moderator or whatever, or helping out in certain ways, or using your skills and talents, or gaining skills and talents in this market that can actually give you a wage within this market, and that will help you build your portfolio. So that's what I would personally do. I wasn't always like this. I never always had a net worth of nearly $20 million. So I came from a very modest background, as you guys should know, in Liverpool. Very proud of where I've come from. Great family, just never had much money. I know what it's like to start off on the ground and work your way up, and there's no substitute for hard work. It's just a case of working very hard and smart also. So look, this downturn is simply just another shakeout before up only. That's all it is. I believe we will have a glorious September. I think we're gonna also have a fantastic October. It's gonna go nice into November, and then I think it's time to sell a lot of your bags. If you're up, take a lot of profit at that point. You can do whatever you want. But for me, by Christmas, I'm going to start preparing for the bear market again. I'm still going to be invested in the market. I'm still going to be looking for new opportunities. I'm not going to suddenly go on holiday and go quiet. I've taken enough out of this cycle at that point. It's a case at the end of this year for me to start preparing for the next bear. And in the next bear market, I'm going to have maybe 1.5 million USDT ready. That's what I'm going to hold for the bear market. And then I'm going to do what I did on the last one, which earned me 8 figures. And that's basically just a DCA in when no one else wants to buy and everyone's panic selling. So every Black Swan event, you simply buy in with part of your stables. So let's say, for instance, I had $1 million in the next bear market, and we've got terrible news, and everyone's saying crypto's dead, and on Fox News you're saying crypto's a scam. Then that's when I'll probably deploy maybe 200, 250 in across micro caps and low caps and some mid caps. Very difficult to do in the bear market. It takes hours and hours to buy into low caps because the liquidity, even to get like 20-30 grand's worth. But that 20-30 grand is normally worth in a bull market again 300-500 grand with patience. So that's what I'll do on the bear market. For me, these swings, they don't matter. I spoke to one of my best friends yesterday and the day before, and we were talking about the market, and we went through a time where on our second cycle together, which was the 2021 cycle, we made quite a few mistakes. We done very well, but we made quite a few mistakes, and it's just a case of reflecting back at them and thinking, okay, what can we do in order to make this cycle better? Now, as I explained, I've won this cycle, yeah, pulled out a huge amount of money out of the market, but I've still got millions in the market that I have to make sure works for me accordingly, which I explained in the last video was the icing on the cake for me, and it prepares me for the bear market. In the bear market, no one's really earning money off trades. People say they do, okay, short the fuck. I don't short, I don't long, yeah, I buy spot, I chill, that's what I do. The bear market, you need to make sure you've got enough liquidity around you, one, to survive with liquidity, and two, in order to invest with the liquidity, and have enough liquidity aside so you can hold without stressing out because you've got cash around you. So that's the plan, and I'm really happy the way things have gone so far. But if you're new in this market, do me a favor, guys, yeah, try not to panic. The worst thing you can do is just overthink this market, and if you can't sleep at night, and I've been there, it's because that you're overexposed. It's as simple as that. You know, a lot of people jump into this market because the friend at work or whatever, or some cousin or a family member have said they've done well, or a family member's turned up at the house with a new car or a new watch, and they've asked, how did you get that? Crypto. And they're thinking, okay, these magic internet coins he's been talking about for years that we thought were a scam have actually given him a car and a house and, you know, watches and money. So I'm going to try. And then what they do is they get a bank loan out or credit cards, which is so silly, yeah. It's like you should never ever do that. And then they put it into a coin that they see, a KOL shilling, and then they lose, you know, because they haven't had the right entry and they don't know where to exit. All I'll say to you is, as you know, I've bought back in over the last few weeks, very heavy. So I'm expecting, you know, a full run this year over the space of, let's say, 6 to 12 weeks, yeah. That's all. And then I'm out then. I'm still going to be doing my videos. I'm still going to be on X. I'm still going to be looking for new opportunities. I'm still going to be invested in the market, but majority I will exit out the market, and then I will buy more properties and I will save some for the bear. I'm just looking at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. 57, it's high, you know. Even with the drop of Bitcoin, it's sending altcoins further and further down, which is terrible for new people in the market, even people OGs. It's still frustrating. Everyone wants it to go up when the bags are packed, yeah, but the majority won't even sell at that point when they've done 5, 10, 15, 20x, yeah. Many people are waiting for the unicorn of 100x, and I've had a few. Have I held my whole bag to 100x? No, I haven't. If something does, let's say a 5x, I'll take out 25%, my initial and profit, and then if it does another 5x to 10x in total, I'll be out of it quite a lot, and then I'll leave a moon bag to 20, 30, 40, 50, 100x, yeah, and then I'll sell the rest. Too many people get wrecked by marrying the bags and then expecting it to do 100x, and then when it doesn't do 100x, they start screaming and shouting at influencers. And in all honesty, it's not an influencer's fault. No one's got a crystal ball, yeah. For me, I've got most of it bang on over the last year. I did think we were going up last week and we haven't, so that has shocked me, but the resume up maybe in September. So look, guys, the price currently of Bitcoin is 59,000. So it's took a little bit of a knock. I mean, seeing it going from 65 all the way to 59, 57, it's another mind fuckery, yeah. It's another way to shake the majority out the bags. Most people that have joined in because the cousin or the brother or the friend at work has told them to invest, they've sold at a loss, yeah. And then they're just another set of people that'll be calling crypto a scam. There's a lot of scams in crypto, but there's a lot of good projects and there's lots of great ways to make money. But understand this also, the next bear market, please understand that everything will be down even further from what it is now. Everything will be down, yeah. It's horrendous, the bear market. But if you can take profits this bull, and we are in a bull run, yeah? So if we can take profits this bull and then buy back in the bear market and do it again and put up with all this shit again, you can genuinely change your life, yeah? It's happened to me, you know, on a massive scale. Never thought in my life that I'd be worth nearly $20 million. Never thought of it. Properties, you know, watches, land. Even bought my parents a house back at home, cash. When I say cash, in the bank. My priority was to make sure the kids and my wife were okay and we had our houses and our wealth, and then once I got that sorted, my mum and dad are now sorted, which is quite emotional for me that I've been able to do this. But anyway, look guys, all I'll say, keep holding, make a plan to take profits. Everything's going to be fine as long as you've got a diverse portfolio. You've got a well-researched portfolio, as long as that meme coins are only a small part of your portfolio also, and the rest is diversified into quality projects with, you know, with a use case, then you're going to be okay. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting me on X. Please like, subscribe, yeah? This is for informational purposes only, guys. This is definitely not financial advice, so always make sure that you do your own research. Over and out, guys, yeah?